Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a short video, because I met this guy. How old are you? I'm not telling you my age, I'm saying a fake number. I'm 16. Actually no, I'm gonna do 14. I'm not telling you my age, man. Ask some personal questions. Anyways, yeah, he wants me to show him around. He wants me to say the details of this car. Oh, that's my friend. I'll tell him that the game is recording. I'm making the video. So I'll just put so he knows that I'm making a video. So guys, the car is red and it's a Devesta 16 and it costs 4 million. And we're also gonna go inside of it. And this is how it looks inside. So I'm gonna ask him if I can do top speed. And you can see how fast it is. Because I did ride this car before and it was really fast. Okay, so let me stop the car. Okay, there, I did it. The top speed is 588. Okay, there. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. So I love the YouTube to watch that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye guys. And we're at 74 free subs right now.